Alam mo yung buhay, hindi talaga yan laging masaya. May araw na ang gaan, parang ang saya-saya mo, pero may araw din na parang ang bigat. Kahit wala namang nangyayari. Life is full of surprises. Minsan, akala mo okay na, tapos biglang may mangyayari na hindi mo inaasahan. Pero diba, that's what makes life real. Raw, hindi scripted. Kaya kahit pagod ka na, kahit parang walang progress, remember this. You are still growing. You are still moving. Even if it doesn't look like it. Ang mahalaga, hindi ka sumusuko. Kasi bawat araw na bumabangon ka, panalo ka. So kung may pinagdadaanan ka ngayon, just breathe. Take one step at a time. Hindi ka nag-iisa. This is life. Minsan magulo, minsan maganda, pero laging worth it.